GoHighLevel's Agent Studio is not powerful because it can build you AI agents. It's powerful because it can build you an AI workforce. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you why this is powerful and how this works, but more importantly, I'm going to give you 3 pre-built out AI agents that have 3 different functions inside of the Agent Studio. And guess what? I put them into a snapshot and they are yours completely free. So we're just gonna jump right in. These are the 3 AI agents I've created for you. Yes, they're in the Agent Studio and they are awesome. And these guys will be free right down below. So check this out. First off, we have send new appointment funny image. So essentially, this is what it is. This agent, okay, can send out a text, email, whatever you want, and send them an image, okay, with their name personalized on it. So as you know before, in reputation management, we use stuff like nifty images to get review response rates way higher. You can do the same thing. You can send out texts like, hey, how you doing, Jim? And I'll have a picture with their name on it. So powerful for sales or reputation management. So like, this is in here and it's completely free, and this AI agent does that. Number 2, we have web presence report. So this AI agent essentially sends, depending on your trigger, a client or lead an entire web report on their website to be like, hey, you could improve this, you could do that. That's great for like lead magnets and selling. And this AI agent can do that. And this is the web present report one. And then last but not least, we have the multi-content generation agent node, which as you see over here, can generate audio, video, image, or text for you. So depending on who messages it, it can send them a video that's like, hey, you need to fix your hot water, or, you know, you name it, it can create it and send it to your lead, which is huge. So essentially you can basically take sales to the next level. And guys, all 3 of these, this, and this, are all free right down below. You don't have to sign up with my affiliate link. They are yours free. So what I'm gonna do in this video though, is I'm gonna show you how to set these up, okay? Walk you through them, because there is some parts that can be a little complex. But before I do that, I just wanna break down why this is so important. And you need to pay close attention to this part, because this is going to explain really the future and how this could potentially make you a ton of money and save you a ton of time. So now let me explain to you the power of GoHighLevel's AI Agent Studio. I'm telling you right now, most people are misunderstanding it. GoHighLevel's Agent Studio is not just a chatbot builder, okay? It's a system for creating role-based AI agents that can actually operate inside of your business. Each agent has a specific job, like sales, support, booking, intake, follow-ups, anything like that, and they're designed to take action, not just respond to messages. This is the key difference. Most AI agents can just talk, they just do conversations, but the AI agents, instead of the studio, can actually work for you. They do tasks for you. Inside of the Agent Studio, you're not creating one generic assistant. You're creating multiple AI agents, each with a clear role, clear instructions, and clear boundaries. One agent might answer inbound messages, another qualifies the lead, another books appointment, and another follows up if the lead goes cold. When these agents work together, you don't just have AI, okay? You have an AI workforce. And this is especially powerful inside of GoHighLevel because these agents don't live outside your system. They live inside your CRM. That means they can see contact records, tags, pipeline stages, appointment status, and conversation history, and they can trigger workflows, automations, notifications, and handoffs in real time. This is why standalone chatbots fall apart, is because they don't know your business logic. They don't know your pipeline, and they don't know what step the lead is actually in, but Agent Studio does, because it's built directly into GoHighLevel. Think of it this way, okay? Workflows handle logic, AI agents handle judgment, language, and decision-making. And when you combine the two, you get autonomy, not automation. This is where the real value shows up. You build your AI workforce once, you refine it once, and you deploy it across your own business or all of your sub-accounts. That's leverage, that's scale, and that is why the Agent Studio is not just another feature. It's a new operating model for businesses in 2026. And this is exactly why I've built and shared my own AI agents inside of this GoHighLevel snapshot, so you don't have to start from scratch. And I'm telling you guys, once you understand this, you will never look at AI agents the same. So now that you understand just how powerful this is, let's go over these 3 test them so you can actually see what they're about, and then show you how to set them up, because these AI agents could help you tremendously. And again, these are free right down below in a snapshot. You do not have to sign up with my affiliate. You just get it all for free. All right, so let's start with web presence report. So we're gonna click this right here. And essentially what this does is it sends leads or customers a web presence report. So for the trigger, you could change this to a bunch of different stuff like form submitted or lead tags. So as soon as someone comes in and they submit a form, it would send them basically an audit of their website based on what you put in the form. Again, there's so many different ways you can go about this, but I'm just going to show you the basic test of this. Again, you just have to think of how this will work, not if it will, because it will, just depending on what you're doing. So we're going to click test right here. And we're just going to say send info. Okay, so now it's asking for contact info. Again, when we change the trigger based on like a form submitted, this stuff all happens automatically. But for the sake of the test, since we're doing chat message, we have to do it like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do Declan the Wizard. We'll do Declan the Wizard at gmail.com. Phone number will be this right here. And then we're going to click enter. Okay, boom. It says this. So it's gone through. So now we're going to say yes. Again, for the test, this will be automated if it's the form submitted. We're going to click yes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the number to show you that this went through. Because this can be great for working with leads, kind of sending people the proper audits. Because it's not just a web presence audit. You could do all kinds of stuff. SEO audit, you name it. So now I'm going to check over here in messages. And as you see right here, web presence report for Liberty Business, blah, blah, blah. But no active social media links detected, professional website. As you see here, it is sent to this exact number in my account. So what's interesting about this, yeah, okay, my AI chatbot's going ham on it. Cool use case for AI. But as you see here, it's immediately sending me that. So you just have to think of how this is going to work in scale, because there's so many different ways you can set this up. It doesn't just have to be website audit. I just did that, but you just have to think of how and then make it go ham. So this particular is great for working leads. So as you saw right there, it sent it, and we can even come right here, 11:23, which is the exact time right now. So freshly sent. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up. So you click in here, you're going to want to leave this as is. Now, if you want to change this, you can to make it however you want it to be. Again, if you want it to be SEO or whatever, plug it in here, but that's where you would do this. Everything else I would leave exactly the same. Okay, we just click save. But now here comes the kind of tricky part. This is where we deal with MCP server tools. So we're going to click this right here, and you'll see right here, there are two different tokens in here. You have to put these in order for this to work. Okay, and you got to want to click the tools bar and select all. So that's what you're going to have to do, but you're going to have to get these two different tokens. So let me show you where to get those. Because remember, this is operating within a sub account, and these agents are all in the sub account. To get the authorization token, we're going to do with that one first. You're going to come to your sub account, you're going to go to settings, and you're going to go to private integrations. We're doing the big boy stuff today. Then we're going to do create new integration. We're going to just do web presence audit. And we'll just do the same thing. Put whatever name in you want here. We're going to click next. Select scopes. Select all. Just trust me on this. Select all. It's easier than finding your one out of all these. And we're going to click create. And we're going to do security risk, and we're going to do confirm. So boom, there it is right there. This is the token. You saw how we generated this very easily. If you have questions, guys, drop them in the comments down below. We're going to click copy, come back, and you paste it right in there. But you're going to need to have this before it. I know, really weird. Bearer. So put this exactly in and then paste your PIT just like I did. So that's for the authorization token, okay? Because it works for the sub account. Now we have to plug in the location ID. So we come back here, we come right up to business profile. Again, guys, I'm trying to walk you through every step because I want to be thorough. And it's right here. Under business profile, slap that bad boy right in there. Then we're good to go. We go out and we click save. So that's how you get this set up. So if you have questions, drop down below. But I'm telling you guys, this is the future of high level in AI. It's going to be these sentient AI agents. And I'm showing you right now how to use them. There's no other videos like this on YouTube at the time of this. So I'm trying to show you. And again, this agent is free in a snapshot right down below. So that is how we do the first one, okay, which is great for web presence. You can change that, and it's good for working leads. So now we have send new appointment funny image. This is the second one. So this is essentially like the nifty images thing we do with reputation management, but there's other things we can do. So when they submit a form, it will send said contact, okay, this image. So let's run this on a test so you guys can see firsthand. Because again, I want to show you guys, I'll just tell you. So we're going to put in my name right here. We're going to do Declan. We're going to do Riley, or the Wizard, whatever you call it. And we're going to do Declan the Wizard at gmail.com. And then we're going to paste our number in just like this. Boom. You see everything looks good. And we're going to click test. Again, guys, I like testing to show you that these work because I don't want to just be the guy that says, aren't these cool? And then you're like, what the hell is going on? I kind of want to show you what they do. And these are going to be so powerful. I'm telling you, the image generating, the content generating, the way this can work and do tasks in your CRM. This is the future, guys. I'm telling you right now. And if you are curious, like how to do all the little stuff, like adding the nodes and really editing this, I have a video that will be linked at the end of this video. It's going to be the full tutorial on the AI Agent Studio. It's going to be showing you what every button means. I'm assuming you know this. That's why I'm doing this video. That'll be linked at the end. But this one is strictly going to be about the snapshot that I'm giving you for free. That's right down below. Okay, boom. Okay, it sent it. Let's go over to Maria, the messages right here. Let's click this and see what we got. Boom, right there. See, it just sent that. All of this was done manually. As soon as I put in the form, it sent me this. Now, this is obviously ridiculous. You're not going to be sending pictures of giraffes to people. Now, again, it could be you're in a daycare clinic and that's what you need. But the idea is the custom placeholder. You can change this to any image. You could make this be, just like in Nifty Images, you and another person being like, please, Declan, write a review. It can be stuff like that. So what I'm showing you is by switching this up, which when I show you the setup in a second, you can get these kinds of results where it automatically texts people custom images. And this is huge for getting reviews. You guys have seen my other videos on this. This is huge, and this agent can do it. So this is like very, very powerful stuff. So for this one, come right in. Again, this is it right here. You plug in what you want, how you want it, just like the other one. Okay. And down here, the MCP tool, the same thing we did last time if you want this to work. Remember we did last time? The same thing applies here. You go to the authorization token and the location ID. You're learning a bit of coding, guys, or API token stuff. So this is pretty cool for some of you beginners because you get to learn some more advanced stuff. But that is how you're going to do it the same way we just did before. And again, you can change it up. And one last thing I want to let you guys know that oftentimes confuses people, which I think is so important, is that you don't just want to think, oh, it's just form submitted. We want to come and think, how many different ways can we do this? Because if we add a lead tag to a bunch of contacts, we could blast this to everybody. Or if we have a special form that's on a certain page on the website, we can collect leads and warm them up this way. Like there's so many different ways to use these agents to boost your business and get tasks back that like you just have to think about it and then make it happen. So that is that one. Again, these are free right down below. If you guys have questions, please drop them down below because this is a new feature. It's not perfect yet. I'm going to be honest. There are bugs. It sometimes glitches because it's a new feature. Agent Studio is new. So drop them down below if you guys have questions. Last but not least, we have the multi-content generation with AI node. So this one is very simple. Okay, you come in depending on how it's triggered, and then from here, what it's going to do is it's going to create either an audio message, video message, image generation, or text generation on here. And it's already set up. You do not have to do what you did with the other ones where you have to set up all that stuff like the authentication token and get the location ID. You do not have to do that. And to test it, you would come right in here, okay, and either ask it for an audio message, a video, an image, or a text generation. And from there, you're good to go. Just depending on what you want. I will say, just a quick pro tip, the video messages will run slower if you're sending them. Like it's not going to be as good. It is getting better, but the audio message is pretty good. The image generation is pretty good. And the text generation is pretty good. You just have to figure out how you want it and then run it through the test. I mean, the reason why I'm not really going deep into testing this is in all honesty, it's just like content AI. It's just the difference is really the trigger. So plugging that in and then having it send is how you're going to want it to work. So just depends on how you want to do it, but this one's down below and this can help you create content. So that's it, guys. It's not really much more than that. You got these 3 awesome AI agents in the Agent Studio for free right down below. You don't even have to sign up with my affiliate. Anyone can have them. And all I want is some feedback, guys. Obviously, there is some setup involved, but these are only going to get better and better and better. So I recommend you use them. So that's it. Now what I want to do is I want to link a video at the end of this one that's going to be the complete Agent Studio tutorial. So like when I'm talking Agent Studio tutorial, I'm talking about all of these, like how to build these from scratch, how this works and all that. That way, when you get in, you can come in and really be an agent master because I'm telling you right now, guys, this is the future of AI. Like it's going to be these sentient AI agents. And again, that's going to pop up at the end of this one. But if you guys have any questions, drop in the comments down below. I'll answer personally. If you're interested in learning how to sell this and learn more about High Level, there is the 30-day free trial link down below where you get access to all of my stuff for free. If you click the link down below, you will see everything. It is amazing. The Snapshot too is free right down below. You don't even need High Level for that, or under me at least. You can just click it and get it. So other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up at the end of this one.